Sydney's population boom suburbs have been laid bare tonight by new research. Some areas have gained tens of thousands of new arrivals, with the Premier admitting it's a big concern, especially for housing.
Those touching down in Sydney will tell you it's the place to be and stay.
It's a very beautiful city.
I think it's easy to get around. I love that.
It's all lovely.
More than 700,000 migrants have arrived in Australia over 2 years. Almost a third, 214,000, chose to live in Sydney.
Look, the net number is obviously a big challenge for the New South Wales government.
25,000 settled in the CBD, 13,000 around Parramatta, 11,000 in the Strathfield area, followed by Cogra to Rockdale and Ryde and Hunters Hill. An influx important for the economy and supply of skilled workers.
But the downside to very high levels of migration is the extreme housing demand that comes along with it.
As property seekers are arriving, property investors are leaving. Sydney is becoming less attractive with high buy-in prices, land tax, stamp duty and weaker returns.
Trying to find a positive cash flow property in Sydney is going to be like finding a needle in a haystack.
OpenCorp gives advice to investors. It says look further afield.
We'd recommend looking interstate to Sydney for sure. If you buy based on affordability, you're much more likely to see positive growth far more quickly.